back again with another character, and he is really sweet. He is Ethan. Hi Ethan, how are you been doing? Oh, I've been doing pretty good. How are you? I've been pretty good. Well, that's really good. I mean, I didn't want to come out here and have to be really sad and stuff because you weren't doing good. I mean, you're really nice, and I think you deserve to do good. I mean, you've kept me, and yeah, you're really nice. You're really nice. Well, what can you tell me your name? I'm Ethan, the little boy. I'm Ethan. Yes, you are Ethan. What? Oh, I was just telling him your name. Oh, okay, I get it now. Yeah, do you have any cool features on you? Yeah, I can stick my tongue out. You want to see? Sure, we'd love to see you stick out your tongue. See, I can stick out my tongue that it takes a lot for you to move your fingers out and go into my tongue. And then I got an arm around that I can lay the teeth with. See, I got it. I can lay the teeth with my arm around. Yeah, really cool. And I can even do all kind of fun, cool stuff, you know. I mean, I can see if I've been doing good on the show and everything. See, I got nice, lovely hair that flows. Watch it flow. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's really sweet. Now, bye-bye. Okay, I'm just going to set you down for a minute. Okay. But, he has really a great figure. And do you mind if I show him what features you have? No, I don't mind at all. He has a removable arm rod, okay, because the arm rod's a skewer, and that I just used. And then the hole for your hand is actually on his head. I'll show you that. See, you can see where you put your hand in. And he's got lovely hair. And if you look inside, if you get close enough, you can see the red thing inside the showing. And you can even stick your arm in your hand in the hands because he's a glove puppet. And he's just really lifelike. And he's a really great character. I love him to death. He wears Christmas clothes and stuff. I got to get them on him, actually. And his other shoes, I gotta get him all dolled up, and just so he can be Christmasized. So I hope you enjoyed this video, me doing a little with Ethan and showing him. So thanks, Bobo102 signing out.